welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, my name is Marily, and I love doing makeup, and this is my way of showing y'all how I do my makeup. And so if you're interested in seeing how I do my makeup, then keep on watching. So today I'm going to be showing y'all a boxy charm unboxing. I get this box every month. I've been getting it for a year now, and I'm going to be showing y'all what I got in this month's box. And that, so this month I got this Kylie Skin, the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash, and that retails for $24. And I got this QMS Medic Cosmetics, I think, and that retails for $200 actually. Wow, that's a lot. And I got this First Aid Beauty Bum Eraser Body Scrub, and I got this Perlels or something like that. I don't know how to say it. Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30 in it. And oh, got this Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, and that retails for where is it? That retails for $24. Oh, and then the First Aid Beauty retails for $18. And so the box a month is $25, and free shipping. Comes with free shipping, and it's a good way of expanding your makeup collection. It's really cheap, and it comes with, I think, 3 to 5 full-size products in that. And it's a good way of expanding your makeup collection, and it's affordable, and everything you get in it, like all the brands, are pretty good that you get in it. And it's a really good box. And no, this is not sponsored, but BoxyCharm ever wants to sponsor me, let me know. But yeah, so it's a good box, it's affordable, and that just thought I would show y'all because I love the box, and I think it's really a good way of expanding your makeup collection if you want. But yeah, I love it. And now I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a easy eyeshadow look. It's easy, natural. I mean, not like for an everyday look. It's good for that. So I'm gonna be using the Worrior 2 by Juvia's Place, and let me see. Where is it? And I'm gonna be using this liquid glitter topper by e.l.f. It's in the shade Flirty Bird. It's a really good topper, so we're gonna be using that today. Okay, so I already primed and did my eyebrows. Primed my eyelids, did my eyebrows. Primed with this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. So what I'm gonna do is get my brushes. Oh, and I would also like to tell y'all that I really got these docolor brushes. They're so pretty. So my favorite brushes, just if y'all wondering what are like good brushes or something, are docolor brushes. They're really good, they're affordable, and yeah, they're really like soft. They make your eyeshadow blend out so much easier and look like flawless. So if y'all were just wondering on what brushes I use or what are some good brushes, docolor and I think Morphe, yeah, docolor and Morphe are good brushes too. So let's just get started with the video. So I'm not gonna pronounce these names because I don't want to sound like dumb or something, but let's go in with Let's see. Let's go in with this brown shade right here. I'm gonna go in with, yeah, let's just go in with that brown shade. And I'm taking the docolor. I forgot what the brush set is called, but it's the neon green, I think, or neon yellow brushes. It's in the number 01. You can't see it. So I'm just packing this right on in my crease. Let me pick a little bit more. Oh, in this palette that I'm using, the Juvia's Place Worrior palette, it's really good. I have all the Worrior palettes.
And I'm just stippling this in, and then I'm just gonna blend it up.
Okay, so I'm going to take this shade right here, this lighter brown shade. What I'm going to do with that is blend out the shade that I already have on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put just like a little bit. I'm gonna work in this pink shade a little bit. Alright, I'm going with a docolor brush. It's like a packer shade, I guess. I mean, a packer brush in the number 07. And I'm just gonna take the pink shade, a little bit of that pink shade.
Just blend it.
Okay, so now that we're done with that, I am just gonna take that elf topper. It was like a liquid eyeshadow topper in the shade Flirty Bird, and I'm just gonna put it right in the inner corner of the eyelid. I'm just gonna so now I'm gonna take that shader brush. I'm just gonna blend the glitter out a little bit. Just blend it a little bit out. Okay, well that's almost the finished eye. I'm gonna be doing the other one off camera and doing my face makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished up the lip. I popped on some lashes, and that's how it looks. That's how it looks. So I hope y'all like this video, and please like and subscribe and turn on your post notification. That way every time I upload any video, you'll be notified. And share this video with whoever, and just thank everyone for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.